Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 10th to August the 12th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Pabaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung di niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So I want you to know, Virgo, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Virgo, simulan na natin. Parang nagkakapaan tayo dito ng emotion, nagkakapaan tayo kung ano yung nararamdaman ni person, nagkakapaan tayo kung mahal pa ba tayo ni person, no? Meron tayong mga gustong malaman pero ayaw nating itanong, no? Kumbaga gumagawa tayo ng investigation, nag-observe tayo and kumbaga we're stitching up things up until we can make a whole story out of it. Parang ang sinasabi natin dito, nahihiya kasi kung magtanong. I just want, meron na akong sabihin natin gut feeling. Meron na rin akong nararamdaman na ito siguro yon. I just need a sign or I just need a confirmation. Baka kaya rin tayo nanonood ng tarot reading kasi you just want to have a confirmation about it, right? So, ang nakikita natin dito with the higher power, the fates, and the co-create, chances are parang I want to continue this relationship. I want to put this connection into another level of commitment. I think that things are falling down into their own proper places. I know that things will be okay between me and my person. No? With the Eight of Wands, the Three of Swords, the Magician. So, ang nakikita ko dito, there may be some communications in here now we are expecting, but it comes out otherwise. It comes out on a different direction. I am seeing in here that the communication might not be precise. The Ace of Swords in here and the Nine of Wands. So you might have a high expectations with the person's kunyari, I'm confiding my feelings, but meron pa rin ditong, bakit ba kasi nililihim pa yung nararamdaman? Pwede naman kasing sabihin, di ba? Bakit ginagawa mo pa kung, ba't kailangan ko pang hulaan? Yan. Bakit kailangan pang dumating tayo sa time na nagsasharade ba tayo? Parang yun yung feeling ko, nagsasharade kayo dito ni person with the Knight of Wands and the Ace of Cups. Gusto nyong dalhin itong connection na ito into another level of commitment, pero ang nangyayari kasi dito, more on actions, less ang communication, more on gawa, more on tinginan, more on landian, no, dun sa mga sabihin nating mutual situationship. Yan, sa mga crushes. May mga nararamdaman naman sa isa't isa pero ayaw magsiamin, no? With the Devil card, the Four of Swords, and the Tower, you know what? Magugulat na lang kayo dito sa relationship na ito. Less ang haba ng courting, less yung naging kayo, tapos baka magugulat na lang kayo, ay kailangan na pala nating magsama, kailangan na palang ikasal. Nawala yung process, nawala yung time frame. May isip nyo, parang nag-jump tayo, no? From landian to paggising natin, ay magkasama na tayo sa isang bahay. And I think that will be a problem because it felt like to me, the Knight of Cups needs to slow down a bit. yung pagdating doon sa jumping off. With the Four of Swords in here, I'm seeing a lot of controls with the World card and the Lovers. Um, I think that one of the reason why you are that confident with you and your person is you might be connecting with your soulmate, twin flames. I feel like there is a bond in here. The High Priestess, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Seven of Swords and the Empress. So meron talaga nagpapahabol. Um, meron talaga ditong I'm waiting. Or parehong nagpapahabol. So ano 'to, langit, lupa, impyerno, in, impyerno? Gano'n ba talaga itong larong 'to? Saksak puso, tulo ang dugo. Baka iba ang maisaksak at ibang dugo ang tumulo, kayo din with the Empress. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito para kayong naghihilahan ng energies, naghihilahan kayo, ikaw na muna mauna, ikaw ang maunang umamin. Hindi ko sinasabing pataasan ng ihi, pero alam mo this is actually wala namang masamang puwedeng mangyari dito sa relationship na 'to unless doon sa pagtalon dahil nakikita ko magiging less na lang yung time ng magiging kayo. Pero if that works for you, that works for you, 'no? Ang nakikita ko lang kasi dito is mai-eliminate natin sana itong time ng pag-iinartihan 'no, yung time ng paghahabulan or baka if both of you are enticed with it, if it works again for you, by all means do it 'no. Pero kasi minsan, yung mga tao na nakapaligid siguro naiinis na rin, mag-aminin na kasi kayo 'no. Kumbaga at first, it's okay, pero parang nakakasawa ng panoorin 'no. Pero but then again, why are you going to consider other people's feelings if this actually works for you, works for you? Let's check the emotion of your emotion or your person's emotion, other people talaga. Sasabi ko lang, I need you to help me and our love is eternal. So I feel like, yeah, chances are this is a soulmate twin flame connection and you are just continuing your journey and the mission. I need you to help me. I need you to help me understand what kind of relationship it is. No? Let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Gemini, Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Capricorn, Scorpio. Did I just mention Scorpio? Yeah, Cancer. Yeah, so this is your reading, Virgo. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So kung hindi nyo naman maabutan yung live session sa Babaylan TV, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? So Virgo, I want you to know that kung kilala nyo yung sarili ninyo, 'di ba? Kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababa po 'no, i-browse niyo sa pababa, nandun po yung question form 'no. Ibaba niyo pa, makikita niyo doon yung information, how much per question, the name, the QR code, the number for your reference 'no. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. That's actually a discounted price, so take advantage of it. Nandun din po sa QR code if you want to book a private reading 'no. So take advantage po 'no nung nasa information. And Virgo, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt 'no. If you want to win a free private reading, and when I say it's free, it's actually free of charge 'no. All you have to do is to report 'no those fake accounts, screenshot, and then send it to the designated email. once nagapi natin yan, bubunot ako ng winner for a free reading. Ayan, kung hinahanap nyo ang mga excess readings, nasa Facebook po, that is Babaylan TV, no? Para wala po nag-aaway-away dito sa YouTube. Thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.